Hello everybody, my name is John Moses with Coldwell Banker at Dan Harper Realtors. We're out here in San Antonio, Texas, in a neighborhood near Marbach and 1604, a growing area by the way. We are about to explore this beautiful home behind me, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, sitting at 2,466 square feet. About 3 minutes away from Gas and Eats, and only 5 minutes away from Potranco and 1604, which gives you everything. Shops, you have Costco, you also have a movie theater, and what's really cool is that we're actually in close proximity to a gun range for those who like to exercise your muscle memory on your pew pew skills. We're out here at an open house and this property is occupied, so we might see some people walking around in this video. But before we go on inside, let's go ahead and take a look outside in the neighborhood and let's enjoy some of this curb appeal. This lovely home is tucked into a fairly new community out here in San Antonio, Texas. Because it is tucked in, you see many benefits, but one of the main ones being the traffic down these streets are fairly low. Also, there's plenty of stores and new opportunities opening up all around this community, which is great. New stores means growth. Growth normally means home value increase, which is a big plus because that also means more money in your pocket in the near future. As we go into this wonderful opportunity, you'll notice an office space not included in the room count behind these French doors. You have quick access to your garage, your 2-car garage. This is a 2-story home with the main on the first floor. This is also an open floor plan. It's a very popular floor plan nowadays with the kitchen set up with an island, functional island, nice counter space and cabinet space, and you also have your sink facing a window. You can enjoy those backyard views. You also have quick access to your half bath for your guests and your family. This is your main room, plenty of space with accented ceilings. You do have your main restroom with 2 sinks. You have an upright shower, and you have a linen closet right next to your main walk-in closet. As we go upstairs, you'll notice this upgraded iron rods leading you into this nice entertainment area. Very good space. You have room number 1 filled with beautiful decor. I'm a musician myself, so I was enjoying all of this. Separating it from the room number 2 with a second half bath. This is room number 2, separated from room number 3 by your laundry room upstairs. And this would be your final room. Let's go ahead and go check out the backyard. Hello, Miss Nicole. You have a covered patio, a well-maintained deck, and a greenbelt, adding a cherry on top of all these great features. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you have any questions that I did not answer, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Guys, it's a very interesting market. I would encourage you to check out this video where it's buy now or wait, giving you all the details and encourage you to really consider moving forward, right? Talking about buying now or waiting, really helping you understand what's going on in this current market. My name is John Moses with Coldwell Banker Dan Harper Realtors, so old friends and new.